Auto body repair used to be about making a crashed car look good again. Today, it's about repairing the vehicle to the safety standards it left the factory with. Repair of modern vehicles deals with high-end technology, airbags, aluminium crash cans for frontal impact, high tensile steel and bonded windscreens, all designed to work together to save you in an accident. Generic repairs are no longer satisfactory as there's no standard repair. For example, with a side impact, a car is designed, built, then crash tested to save you in this type of accident. Once damaged or bent, this ultra high strength steel cannot be repaired, it must be replaced. Every brand has its own approved system for repair, which has also been crash tested. Only factory approved repairers have access to this information. It's imperative that you choose a factory-approved repairer, as they are the only ones who have access to the information and the training to put a vehicle back to pre-accident condition. It's all about safety. Factory-approved repair is backed up by the manufacturer's guarantee as well as our own. Precision Autowerk are factory-approved for 16 major brands. We will return your vehicle to original factory safety specifications.